Hi, my name is Armando, and today I would like to talk about how you could help your child during the lesson. So, first of all, I think what's very important is to come to lesson every single week. It's a huge difference. It doesn't matter if your child is 3, 5, 7 years old or 13, 15. Actually, when your child is a teenager, that's when they need you the most at the lesson. So, be every week at the lesson, take notes, videotape with your phone, make sure to ask the permission from your teacher, but I believe that if you can practice with the video at home, and video that is well done, it will be a drastic change for your child's practice at home. So we're taking notes, we're taking videos. Also, you should observe other classes, other teachers, other students of your teacher, and try to keep the same routine. Try to keep that same order that you have with your teacher so the child is not too confused at home. But at the same time, it's good to mix it up. So if you feel that you are getting to a plateau, that's when you need to maybe start from the end or add a new element to the practice. Often the children, they play better at home than at the lesson. Sometimes it's the opposite. But don't be frustrated if you feel that your child is not showing what they know. As a parent myself, it happens every week. And I see it with the teacher. And I believe that your best way to get used to this basically is to really be ready before the lesson and to welcome anything that could happen. Be enthusiastic. If you get to practicing with your child every day at home and you're kind of like down or exhausted or whatever is the problem, your child is going to feel it. So be excited and use different toys or whatever you want to have a better lesson.